So what we have going on here is something that I've seen people write when trying to write a basic calculator because they were frustrated that they couldn't get readline to give us back an integer. So let's go ahead and just fix this really fast. I'm going to change all these types to ints. So now I'm working with integers. I've changed user left value, which I'm clicking on so it gets highlighted every time it's used in my program. And I changed user's right value, which again I'm highlighting, to be integers instead of strings. Now, that's what we want. We want user left value and user right value to be integers, so then we get the addition behavior of the plus symbol. But we have a problem now. We have cannot convert source type string to target type int. This is something that you're going to see a lot. So yeah, I really want to quickly introduce the first type of a type conversion. There are a variety of other kinds that we'll talk about once we get into different kinds of types. But because integers and converting strings to integers is so incredibly common, I wanted to start off with this and then then backtrack a little bit into different kind of types later, because I don't want people to forget this. Int.parse.